In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and head to your main dashboard. From there, click on Settings, then choose Reconcile. This is where you'll begin the process of matching your QuickBooks records with your bank or credit card statement. Once you're on the reconciliation screen, open the Account drop-down menu and select the bank account or credit card account you want to reconcile. It's important to make sure you're working in the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Next, look at the beginning balance shown in QuickBooks and compare it to the starting balance on your bank statement. These two amounts should match. If they don't, that usually means something was changed, deleted, or added in a previously reconciled period, so it's a good idea to pause and review that before continuing. After that, enter the ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear on your bank statement. Accuracy here matters, because even a small typo can throw off the entire reconciliation and make it harder to find the real issue later. If your statement includes bank service charges or interest earned that haven't already been entered into QuickBooks, go ahead and enter them in the appropriate fields. This helps ensure your records reflect the same activity shown by your bank, and it keeps the reconciliation as clean as possible. Now click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will open the list of transactions for that account. Your next task is to go through the list and check off each transaction in QuickBooks that matches a transaction on your bank statement. Take your time here and compare the dates and amounts carefully so you don't accidentally mark the wrong item. As you check transactions off, keep an eye on the difference amount at the top of the screen. That number should gradually decrease as more matching items are cleared. Your goal is to bring that difference all the way down to zero. When the difference reaches 0.00, that means your account is fully balanced and your QuickBooks records match your statement for that period. At that point, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. Once you're done, QuickBooks gives you the option to view, print, or save the reconciliation report. It's a smart idea to keep this report for your records, since it can be helpful for audits, month-end review, or troubleshooting later on. And that's how to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks Online.